Yo guys, welcome to my unboxing on my Limxems wireless fast charger. So why don't we flick the knife out, cut it open, get that open and just that there. Excellent. So why don't we now get this bad boy out. Oh yeah, now why don't we spin it around and I can show you what it looks like. Well, as you can see, this is everything you get in the box. First of all, you get some instructions, pretty straightforward, but who needs them? Why don't we have a look at this wicked white Limxems fast charger. How cool is that? It has LEDs going all the way around the edge, and if we have a look at the back, it has 4 nice rubber pads, so it's, as you can see, not going to be moving around, not too bad. And it's very small, it's only 8mm thick. Very, very thin. Easy for traveling, especially if you're going places. And now we come onto the cable. It feels really nice, sort of braided like. Has sort of like a USB 3 input, which is great. We take this plan off. As you can see, this cable is not very long. That's the downside to here. It's only about 800mm. But one thing to note about this fast charger is if you grab yourself a standard USB plug input, it's only going to give you universal charge, which is 5 volts. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to buy yourself a fast charger. If you've got one, then great, good on you. And then that will give you your 9 volts you need for fast charge. Why don't we set this guy up and then we can see the wicked lights turn on and you can see it in action. Yo guys, so it's all set up, as you can see, plugged in. I know I had to use an extension lead, that sucks, but anyway. We plugged this Limxems charger in. Can't wait to show you these lights, man, look at them. Oh yeah, blue and green. So this has some fantastic lighting on it. Has a nice little green light at the front. It will go green once it's charged, but the rest of it will stay blue. So now if I place my phone on it, you can see it charge. Ready? Oh yeah, don't that sound mean? So, if you have Apple or Android in the house, so if one of you has Apple and one has Android, don't worry, this is a universal charger, this will work for both of you. And just proof of that it does work with an iPhone, I'll take this back, put it on the stand. Voila, there you go. Fantastic. So that will charge away, do its thing. So that is my unboxing of the fantastic Limxems wireless fast charger. I would highly recommend getting one of these. I will leave all the links to this product in the description below. And let me know maybe what your favourite wireless charger is. I'd love to hear your comments. So until next time, as always, sit tight.